mobile version of the platform is really helpful for making posts on the go. The mobile version has all the same features as the web version. There's no app to download. You can visit app.rheaply.com from any mobile browser and then save it to your home screen for easy access. Here's how it works on an Android device. I've got my browser open. I'm already on the platform. I'm going to tap the menu button at the top and then tap Install App. It will show up on my homepage as an app that I can access at any time. Here's how it works on an iPhone. Again, I've got my browser up. I'm already on the platform. I tap this button at the bottom, and then I select Add to Home Screen. And then it's on my home screen. I can access it just like before. Let's make a post with my phone. What's great about the mobile version is I can take the photo directly with my camera on my phone and then add it to my post. Really easy. And from there, I can complete making the post as normal, choosing the category and the condition of my item. And when I'm all set, I can click publish. Great, on to the next post.